on repeat again. Brings it home to you, doesn't it? I mean, it wasn't loud on that at all. We're in Birmingham, that'll be going out at over 1,000 watts. Just shows that this humane badger cull isn't humane. That lasts a minute and a half. We know that some took over 5 minutes to die. That is what goes on out there. That's why you are all needed down there, to stop those sounds. I'll go through the state of play now with you. We're waiting at the moment for the official licenses to be released. Officially, those licenses start on June the 1st. When the licenses are released, which will have a better idea of exactly what new zones we've got for this year. It's looking, we know that it's the final year for Gloucestershire, or the final year of the 4 years. It'll probably still continue after that to maintain numbers. But a DEFRA meeting after this year's cull to decide the way forward. It won't be the end. Same will apply in Somerset. It'll be the 2nd year in Dorset. And certainly in those 3, there'll be an intensive 6-week cull, somewhere like the normal times. So be prepared, make sure you've got holiday booked for that time. It looks like for Gloucestershire, it will have new neighbours. It looks like Northcots and Worcestershire are coming into it. The cull company is formed for that area. Also, without doubt, Herefordshire will be coming into it this year. The cull company is formed for Herefordshire. Devon and Cornwall, that's almost definitely going ahead this year. Again, the cull company's formed on that. Those are really the definite ones. There's a little bit we're not sure about Wiltshire, we're not sure about Cheshire. The cull companies aren't formed yet for those. It's unlikely now that those will be going ahead. Up until the cull starts, it needs as many people down in the zones to get out their set mapping and set monitoring. Now obviously the maps are fairly comprehensive for Gloucestershire, Somerset and to some extent Dorset, but Dorset still needs a lot of mapping. They're trying their best at the moment in Herefordshire and in Devon and Cornwall and in Northcots, but they're well behind. So if anybody gets any time at all they can spare, any weekend, any time in the week, there's people out there every day of the week, so you know you're not going to be out there. If you get in contact with somebody, there will be somebody that will be out there. We desperately need more people down there doing set monitoring before the cull starts, so we know exactly where the sets are. If anybody's interested, there's actually a set mapping day in Herefordshire this Sunday. If anybody can get down to that, I can give them the details. If anybody wants details of anything, just go up and see me afterwards. Or indeed, if any of you that haven't been down and they're starting to get persuaded that you're needed down there, contact me at any time in the week, after here, any time, just contact me. Just to finish, a few points. Now you don't want to see my train times. I've got that many bits of paper everywhere. Yeah, Chinese takeaway list. Right. After this, I say there's set mapping down in Herefordshire tomorrow. Next Sunday, we've got a walk, a nice family peaceful walk around Highgrove, the Highgrove estate. As you will know, that is Prince Charlie's home. And the reason why we're doing it is to put emphasis on the fact that if Herefordshire is coming into the zones this year, Old Charlie Boy owns a lot of farms in Herefordshire which are going to be taking part in the cull. So we're going to bring emphasis to that. The big one, Saturday 18th of June, it's the Birmingham Wildlife Festival. That's going to be going on all day. It's going to be starting at 11 o'clock in the morning. It's going to be going on till 6 o'clock in the afternoon. We've got masses of speakers, we've got masses of bands. It's going to be an excellent day. We've got loads of stalls. There's going to be about 60 stalls selling produce. We've got 4 vegan food stands. It's going to be a terrific day out. This time it's not in February like it was last time when it was bloody freezing cold and started to snow halfway through the afternoon. We decided June would be a little bit more sociable. On the 2nd of July, Saturday, we've got the Stafford March and Festival of Badgers. That's to coincide with the National Badger Week. That's National Badger Week. We're hiring the market hall in Stafford, and there's all sorts of entertainment going on there. That'll be an excellent day out. Another one for your diary, the day after actually, on the Sunday, it's Vale Open Day. As many of you will know, Vale is our camp for the Gloucester zone, and this year probably for the North Cots zone as well. We're indebted to Vale Wildlife Centre for that, and we're doing all we can to get as many people down to the Vale Open Day on 3rd of July. Anybody that can make it, please do so. Another biggie then, on 16th of July, Saturday the 16th of July, it's Cheltenham. Now, up in Leeds, there aren't that many pro-coal really that we're marching through. Down in Cheltenham there will be. We need as many down there as possible. It's on the doorstep, it'll be on the doorstep of the 3 zones, North Cots, Worcestershire, Gloucestershire and Herefordshire. So please, as many as you can down there. I think that's about it. It's great to see so many of you here today. It's fantastic to see so many subs here today. It's fantastic to see so many faces that I haven't seen since Gloucestershire last year. And I just hope that we're all ready for it this year. Thanks very much. Good to see you.